Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another video. I look so sleepy. It's at night. What's the time? 10:41. Yeah, I'm currently doing some kitchen cleaning or overall house cleaning. Yeah, so I'll also be cleaning the fridge. Yeah, and everything in the kitchen. So it's kind of like a night routine, but this time with deep cleaning the fridge. Yeah, so come along, make sure you like the video, subscribe, like, comment. And as you can see, I did my hair today. Yep, so come along.
There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight feels like something from your own life, then one time let me hear you sing. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I could get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss. We don't run, no, we stand together and hold on through the angry weather. We all want to make something better, I know. And my trust has been torn and shredded, it's been rough, but I try to forget it and move on to a place where I can grow. It's time, not holding back, I'm coming and coming fast. I know what I wanna have, the dream is to detach from all that is bad, the things holding me back, the people that didn't last, the evil that kept me mad. This is my life, it's my time to do things just how I like. My runway for the lights, I'ma take flight, and my God is my purpose and my fight. If you feel the same, let me hear you say. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I can get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like.
And as you can see, it looks dark, but I'm finally done. The fridge is clean. Yep, so I'm done. That's it for the night. I'm just going to take a quick shower, then I sleep because my baby's not yet asleep. I don't know, let me flip. Kopale. It's not yet asleep. It's almost going to 11 p.m. Yeah, but we'll see how it's gonna go. So yep, that's it for tonight. I'm so tired and sleepy. See you then. And right before going to bed, I decided let me bake some cake that we're going to have for breakfast with tea. Yeah, so
like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching.
This is the next day in the morning. I had lots and lots of clothes to fold that I previously washed. Yeah, so let's do some folding, a really quick one, and then yeah, so that we just make sure everything is in place. Yep.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long.
Here I have all my nightwear, sweatpants and sweatshirts. Yep, and others. Then jeans, white t-shirts, black t-shirts, some dresses and sundresses. Up there I have other sweaters that I don't wear most of the time. Yep.